morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sonal and today I'm gonna take you through my everyday skincare routine, especially in this summer. So I wake up in the morning, I brush my teeth, and the first thing I do is wash my face. I use the A-Derma face wash, which is something my dermat gave me, and I think it is the dermat's most secret weapon, because if this was mass advertised, nobody would need a dermat for the small things that we do. I love it and I absolutely swear by it. The next thing that I do after I washed my face clean is apply a moisturizer. Right now I'm using the vitamin C moisturizer from the Body Shop. Because it's summer and this is water based, it absorbs into the skin really quickly and doesn't make your skin greasy or oily at all. Once I'm done with this, I go about my daily chores, and after I've done my breakfast and everything, I go in for a shower. In the shower, I do not wash my face again with soap or face wash. I just use water, and then I follow it up with a sunscreen. So I'm using this Lotus Herbals matte 3-in-1 sunscreen, which is slightly tinted, and it has very high SPF. So I love the fact that it's very matte, but I add 1 drop of Kumkumadi Tailam to it, which is a facial oil from Inatur, which works on the second layer of your skin. So it's actually nourishing your skin while the sunscreen protects you from tanning, from the harmful rays of the sun. So it's like a perfect win-win situation. And of course I don't ignore the neck or the body. So using a body lotion is an absolute must for me. Right now I'm using the Ylang body lotion from Aroma and You, but that's not the only one I stick to. I use bath oils or I use Body Shop body lotions. I have this amazing body lotion from Jaipur, but a body lotion nonetheless is something that I definitely use after bath. Today I'm going ahead and doing my proper regular makeup. Usually if I'm at home or if I'm not really going for a shoot or an event, then I don't do makeup, but today I have a shoot and so I'm going ahead and doing my entire makeup. Lip balm is something that is an absolute must before lipstick, and even otherwise. For me, I live with lip balms. I have one in every bag of mine. So yeah, I'm gonna see you after the shoot, and I'm back. So the first thing I do once I'm back from the shoot is get rid of my makeup. So I'm using the Uemura facial cleanser. I have already done a review of it, so I'm linking it here and you can go through that. I follow it up with the same vitamin C moisturizer from the Body Shop, because the Uemura facial cleanser does tend to dry up the skin a little bit, so this is required. And it's early evening today, so I've given like a good break, and now just before bedtime I'm again washing my face with my favorite face wash once again. And then I'm gonna follow it with the Kumkumadi Tailam, which is the facial oil, 2 drops of it, and that's it. No moisturizer, nothing else, just 2 drops of this oil, because it really works. In spite of the fact that I have combination skin, which is a very oily and acne prone T-zone, I can still afford to use the Kumkumadi Tailam, because that's the whole point. It actually, in spite of being oil, works on clearing acne, on brightening your skin, on giving you that glow, which is what most people don't know about facial oils. So yeah, people with oily skin can use facial oils too. The next thing that I do, if I am having acne at that moment, or if I think that I'm going to get acne at that moment, is use Galderma ointment, which is something that my dermat gave me, and it is really strong and powerful. So I use very small quantities of it only in places where I think there's acne coming, and only at night before going to bed. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching, and this was my entire everyday skincare routine, especially in the summer. Obviously I do other things on weekends, like a scrub or a mask, but those I will take you through in my forthcoming videos. This was something that I do every day and don't miss a single step of it. So if you did enjoy watching this, do give me a thumbs up and share my video, and do subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell button. So yeah, keep coming back. Thanks so much. Mwah.